Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding fruit. First, select your preferred pudding mix. Vanilla or chocolate are popular choices. Follow the package instructions carefully to prepare the pudding, ensuring it's smooth and lump-free. For best results, allow the pudding to chill completely in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This foundational step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture before incorporating any fresh fruit into your delightful dessert. Next, let's talk about fruit. Opt for fresh, ripe fruits that complement your pudding flavor. Sweet berries, sliced bananas, or juicy peaches work wonderfully. Remember to wash all your chosen fruits thoroughly under cool water and gently pat them dry. For larger fruits, cut them into small, bite-sized pieces, approximately 1/2 to 1 inch in size, ensuring they are easy to eat and mix evenly throughout your pudding creation. Now, it's time to combine your ingredients. You can create visually appealing layers by alternating spoonfuls of chilled pudding with your prepared fruit in a clear serving dish. Alternatively, for a more integrated dessert, gently fold the fruit directly into the pudding. For an extra touch, consider adding a delightful crunchy topping, such as a 1/4 cup of granola or some crushed cookies, just before serving. Finally, for the best flavor and texture, chill your assembled pudding fruit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours. This crucial step allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully and ensures the pudding sets perfectly. When ready to serve, spoon individual portions into small bowls or elegant clear glasses for a lovely presentation. Enjoy your homemade, refreshing pudding fruit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.